Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying system compatibility and connecting all monitors. This prevents common detection failures. Open the Installer and Follow Permissions prompts, Accessibility on Mac, Display on Windows, because the app needs control to reposition windows. Once done, set a primary monitor in System Settings so the expander orients correctly and launch the app. You'll see a basic grid. That grid defines active zones. Make sure to restart the app if a display didn't register, then move to Defining Zones. You now build the actual workspace. Open the grid editor and create zones that match your tasks, because tailored zones are why screen expanders save time. Drag edges to set exact pixels or choose presets like 16:9 for video editing and name each layout for quick recall. Once zones exist, assign hotkeys and enable snapping so windows jump into place. Additionally, link apps to layouts when needed. This ensures your browser, editor, or chat always land in the right zone automatically. You finish by automating so the setup is frictionless each day. Enable Launch at Login and restore last layout, and create rules that move specific apps to chosen zones when displays connect. This saves manual arranging. Test the hotkeys and profile switching, and make minor adjustments to gap and snap sensitivity. If something fails, clear the app cache, reauthorize accessibility or display permissions, and rebind conflicting hotkeys. That usually fixes detection or snapping problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.